Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the verbs in the German language related to travel? Do write your comments in the comment section. Now let's have a look at those verbs in a typical dialogue or dialogue about the journey, which in English is die Reise. But before moving on, please have a look at my tutorials 9 on the German numbers, all the tutorials on the German adverbs, and of course the last tutorial part. So moving on. So the dialogue that I'm about to show you is a dialogue between two friends. Dialog zwischen zwei Freundinnen, Misha and Anaya. Before listening to the dialogue, have a look at the green highlighted words which show the German accusative case in the questions and sentences. The blue highlighted words are the prepositions in German. The purple highlighted words show the use of the dative case in the questions and sentences. The red highlighted words are the German adverbs. Also, the translation of this dialogue in English I have included in my video's description. And note that there is an announcement at the train station, and the transcript of this announcement I have included in the description of my video in both German and English languages. So do have a look at the description of this tutorial part. So let's listen to this dialogue.
Nimmst du einen Bus zu dem Hauptbahnhof?
So Misha is asking Anaya, are you taking a bus to the central station? To which Anaya says, ja, ich bin an der Bushaltestelle. Ich nehme den Bus 299. Der Bus kommt in 40 Minuten, or she can say, der Bus kommt in 40 Minuten an. Danach steige ich in die U-Bahn um. So Anaya says, yes, I am at the bus stop. I am taking the bus number 299. The bus is going to come or is coming in 40 minutes. But if an is added at the end of this sentence, it means that Anaya is saying that the bus is arriving in 40 minutes. Afterwards, I am going to change the transport to the underground train. Then Misha says,
Okay, gute Reise.
Okay, have a nice journey. So at the station, which is a train station, there is an announcement or Durchsage as it is called in German.
Am Bahnsteig 2 fährt gerade die U2 Richtung Messestadt München ein. Bitte Vorsicht an der Bahnsteigkante. Achtung, bitte zurückbleiben. Nächster Halt, Innsbrucker Ring. Aussteigen bitte in Fahrtrichtung links. Achtung, bitte zurückbleiben.
From this announcement at the station, there is the underground train number 2, which is about to drive into the train's platform number 2. And this train is headed or is going for the station of the city Messestadt. So Anaya then says, Ich steige gleich in die U2 ein. In einer Stunde steige ich an dem Messestadt Bahnhof aus. Dann nehme ich ein Taxi zu dem München Hauptbahnhof. Holst du mich bitte an dem Hauptbahnhof ab? Ich warte auf dich. So, when she hears the announcement at the train station, Anaya says, I'm going to board the underground train number 2 in about 2 to 5 minutes, because gleich is the time up to 5 minutes. In an hour, I'm going to get off at the train station of the city Messestadt. Then I'm going to take a taxi to Munich's central station. Then she asks Misha, will you please pick me at the central station, so at Munich central station. I will be waiting for you, or I am waiting for you. To which Misha says,
Ja klar, bis dann.
yes, definitely, till then. Now note that I've been using in English the future tense for some of these sentences, but in German, the future tense is not used for the immediate future time, like for an hour, for some days coming ahead, or even up to a week's time. For that, the present tense is used. That is why this entire dialogue is in the German present tense. So that was all for today. Any questions related to this whole tutorial you can ask in the comment section. Do like my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel German Tutorials for Beginners and share my channel's name, link and my username German by Rabia with your friends.